My name is Russ Jennings. I'm the superintendent at United Engineering. I'm the overall welding supervisor for United Engineering, Hargym, Leach Machine, COC Industrial Services, and Point Hope Maritime, which is all part of the Ralmax Group of Companies. Okay, my start in trades basically was from a young age. When I was a kid growing up, I was always hands-on with my dad. We were fixing things in and around the house, we were building projects. When I went through high school, I spent a lot of time in the trades programs. When I finished high school, my intent was to go off and get an engineering degree at Camosun College. I got partway into the engineering degree and just realized that was not my forte. I wanted to be more hands-on. That was my true love and passion, was to create things and build things. I had a part-time job working in a gas station, doing pumping gas, servicing oil changes, tires, brakes, and stuff on cars. When my employer heard that I was leaving school to fulfill my trades dream, he jumped at the opportunity and gave me an automotive apprenticeship. I started into that path. I did a year of schooling, going to my trade school. In that time though, I learned that automotive wasn't my true passion. I liked working on cars. I used to do a lot of my own work on my own cars, but I come home at the end of the day and not want to work on my cars anymore. I pulled the pin out of that, and I had the opportunity to come work for United Engineering almost 30 years ago. I started on the ground floor working as a laborer, worked my way through the process. I had to be a laborer for a year. I was offered a fabrication apprenticeship, which I jumped at. Took my fabrication opportunities with me and moved forward. And anytime I had the opportunity to gain another level, whether it would be learning to weld and something else, I always took that opportunity. So through that, I got my welding endorsements when I was an apprentice, so I could weld and fabricate at the same time. So it was always looking to move ahead and become a better tradesperson.